The dollar index is yet showing the resilience to break past 103 levels, and it has shown a good rise in fact but failed to break past the critical resistance at 106 levels. It went close to 105.5 and reversed from there. So can we consider this as reversal, and is it going to drop from here, or is it going to bounce back again and trade bullish? Which position you should take in order to profit? What can be expected out of the dollar index? We'll see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can keep yourself updated with the daily analysis on major global markets and commodities. Also, do watch till the end where I am going to give you the trading levels and strategy for next week. Now, let's start. First, we look into the daily charts here. On the daily charts, you can find out. See, it is very much trading in zone. It has created the base here at around 103, and see, this was the first bottom, this is the second bottom, and now it is trying to drop again. And see, first of all, higher highs, higher lows are getting seen. Any point of time, if you see it breaking below 103, just stay short, and then you will be looking forward to 102.2, which is definitely the first support, and below that it is going to continue with the bearish momentum. Why? Because see, this is the bearish channel in which it is trying to trade, and the bottom of this channel now is lying at around, already it has achieved the highs. Now it is looking forward to the lows, which might take it till towards 102 and in fact 100 levels. So be cautious. Yes, the highs are done, the lows it is trying to trade, and we need to be watchful in between 103 and 105.5 zone. This is very very important. For this zone you need to stay alert. Any breakout should be taken seriously, and then beyond that a stronger momentum can be expected. Now this is on the daily charts. Look at the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, sharper bearish candles, three red candles, and this week it tried to reverse here. However, closed the week with a very little gain, and now possibly next week, when you see it trading above this zone at 103.8 or 104, you can expect that possibly it may show you again a little rise and consolidate here. That is one part. Next, once it trades below 103.2, you can, or 103, you can expect that the next target is 102.2 and 102 levels. This is also very much possible here. See, it has taken the base at the lower highs from the support zone, and now possibly these levels at 102 100 levels are going to come into picture sooner or later. This is on the weekly charts. Let's have a look at the monthly. On the monthly chart, the candle is about to turn red. Lower highs are seen. Possibly once it trades below 103, you can expect a further drop for 100 to 101.8. This is going to be a very important support for the dollar index, because below this, the next support level is going to come back only at this zone at around 96 levels, which is going to be a extremely good support for dollar index if it continues to trade bearish from here. Hence, only sell entry I will recommend is below 103.2, or rather 103 levels, below which 102.4, 102.2 levels can be seen. And if it breaks below 101.8, you can expect further bearishness, which might take it till towards 196 levels in next few weeks, next couple of months itself. That is one part to it. At the same time, once it open about trades above 104, you can expect, yes, 105.5 levels again, which is going to create lower highs from the this week's rise there. That is one way to look at it. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What are the indicators are suggesting? And if you look at the indicators here, there is definitely a good resistance it has got. The 50 period moving average situated at around 105.5, and now it has in fact breached 102 levels, which is the 20 period moving average. So all these are trading with divergence, indicating increasing bearishness. The directional movement has also crossed over for a bullish move, but possibly it may converge again. The RSI is looking downward, showing little weakness. The MACD is in green and it may possibly convert. The RSI is also looking downward, showing little weakness here. If you look at the weekly chart, on the weekly chart, the 20, 50, 100 period moving average are still trading with divergence, but see, the slope has certainly flattened here, and now either they may converge sooner or later, or either may trade with very little movement. Now directional movement is here is bearish, and it is looking forward to converge crossover. The stochastic is trading oversold. On the weekly chart, the MACD is divergent and bearish. It is appears it has seen the lows there, and possibly it may start to converge. The RSI is also nearing to the bottom there. Now look at the month. On the monthly chart, the downward support is far below 802 and then 95-96 zone, and these levels are achievable also and can be seen in next few months or so. The monthly chart, you can see directional movement was extremely bullish. Now it is trying to converge, crossover for a sell. The stochastic was overbought, and since then it has seen a sharper drop, and it has come to oversold zone. The MACD is on the verge of a bearish cross, and this crossover is happening at an extreme point. Possibly from here it may start to trade bearish. This is my expectation. RSI is also looking downwards. Considering this, now time for us to define the levels and strategy for next week. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 18th batch is going to start on 9th of January. This is going to be the first batch of year 2023. Do not miss this opportunity. Equip yourself with the right tools and techniques. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Reach out to me if you in case you have any queries. Now, regarding the dollar index, possibly once you see it trading above 103.8, you can buy, but then expect 104.5 levels as an extremely good resistance here. Only if it breaks past this, I will expect 105.1 and 105.35 levels, beyond which you can still expect 105.6 levels. Now see, till here you need to remain very cautious and alert, as it can show you thing, but beyond this I will be looking forward to 106, and then beyond that 108 levels to be expected. However, I don't expect it to trade so much bullish here. There could be a possibility of a reversal. On the downside, where you should sell, you can sell at 103.2, you can expect 102.6, you can expect 102 and 102.2 and 101.8 levels. Only and only if it breaks below 101.8, you can expect another round of good drop, taking it till towards 101.1, 100.5, and then 100 levels, and below this it is going to crash further till towards 97, 96 levels. So take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.